So we're here at Jacob's Soul Food, y'all. We're up at 373 Malcolm Extra Bass Boulevard. It's 129th Street and Malcolm Extra Bass Boulevard and what we call Lenox. Old school be like 129th and Lenox. We're gonna go in here. Let me get that door for you. We're gonna go in here. After you, Larry. I'm with my homie, man, filmmaker Larry C. I'm gonna just say Larry C. Let's go check it out, y'all. Oh, we got a little music in here. Okay, y'all, so look, this is what it is, man. This is what it is, soul food, y'all, up in Harlem. I got some black-eyed peas, y'all. I got some whiting fish, fried chicken. I have macaroni and cheese. What else I got? Oh, I have some okra and some collard greens right there, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm gonna dig into the black-eyed peas first. The black-eyed peas are seasoned very well. They are delicious. I don't know what that is. It's a piece of turkey. That's a turkey wing. I don't know what this is. It's definitely a piece of turkey. I just don't know if it's the wing or the drumstick. So far, the experience is delicious, y'all. Everything is delicious. Larry got the oxtails, macaroni and cheese, rice. Are those mashed potatoes?
Mashed potatoes, yeah.
Mashed potatoes and corn. How's it, man?
And a rib. No, the steels are out of the world. Fred can't go wrong with it.
Oh, yeah, I got a piece of spare rib there. Oh, Joe, let me put this camera down and stop playing. A piece of spare rib, all my Muslim friends gonna be mad at me. But, wait a minute. Oh, I know one thing, that's some good sauce. But it just remind me, I need some hot sauce. Look, y'all, I got my hot sauce. Hot sauce. You know what that is? That's hot sauce. Or hot sauce. That's hot sauce. We up in New York, it's force. I'm gonna put a little bit of that. I gotta do this like this, y'all. Y'all thought this was a game. That's some good hot sauce too. And the ribs are really good. And the hot sauce is almost making me cough, y'all. Macaroni and cheese next, y'all. Oh, see that? See that right there? Look at that, look at that, look at that. I didn't get the macaroni off of there. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. I'm just gonna bite into it, y'all. That's good, but you know what it needs? A little hot sauce. Just a little bit. And because I taste mild, cheddar, sharp cheddar. But if it was me, I would have added just a little bit more salt. And I know some of y'all gonna be like, he don't need no salt. I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about. I know what it needed. That hot sauce was the perfect enhancement of the macaroni and cheese. Let's go for the okra. Got the okra right there, that okra. Very interesting with the okra. This is a little bit sweet. I've never had okra that. You know what might be making this sweet? Now I'm starting to see it might mean it's bell pepper. Wow. Look, I make okra a lot at home, and my okra has never tasted this good. This is really delicious. Collard greens are good.
Once again, the collard greens did not have a whole bunch. I don't like collard greens with sour vinegar. I don't taste vinegar in here. It tastes really good. It's a good mix with the okra. What's that right there? And the red bell peppers. I got red and green sweet peppers here.
I've eaten everything except the chicken and the fish. I'm gonna go for the chicken first. Me and that I'm from Newark. I ain't messing with y'all. Y'all know I like the flats. They look like they were fried, but you know how I said when you fry it and you put it in and cover it with something and it starts getting that steam, so it looks like it's fried steam. It's crunchy. It's a good piece of chicken, but y'all know what it needs. Hot sauce. Yeah, this one needs a little more seasoning. And let's see if I'm right. Let's see if I'm right. That's what it needed, hot sauce. That wing needed a little bit more seasoning. And I know everybody ain't into salt, but I could have used just a little more salty seasoning on the wing. But it was very tender, really good. I'm going back to the macaroni and cheese because I have this, all of it's official. I haven't tasted the fish yet. The fish is going to be the last thing I'm going to taste. And I'm hoping that this app that Larry has suggested to me works because the music is on continuously. If I could do it again, I would have gotten the ribs, I would have gotten the okra and the collard greens, I would have gotten the black eyed peas, macaroni and cheese. The turkey is delicious. And the chicken wings, don't flip the chicken wings. Chicken wings was good, I just needed some hot sauce. I could have passed on the fish. I really could have passed on the whiting fish. So this is definitely a must stop by if you're in Harlem, New York. If you're in Newark, New Jersey, you can get over here in 45 minutes. I caught the PATH train and then we caught the 2 train. I put the PATH train to 33rd Street. Then we caught the 2 train all the way up to 125th, yeah. And then we got off and we walked uptown. Right to this spot, and you want to come check it out. This is man, Matt DV. Hoping you guys have a beautiful day.
And if nobody told you they love you today, once again, you are hanging with the Roller people. We love you. We'll see you at the next one. Peace!